Hello and most welcome to this video. In this video, I will explain how I made this website and generated 180 plus powerful calculators. The tagline is one place for all calculators. The domain website name is Calculators.one. Calculators.one is a website. I made this website on the WordPress. In the previous video, I have shown the multiple websites. Those are running on the HTML code. So HTML code is a little bit difficult if you don't know, but those HTML websites are very fast. WordPress websites are most popular because most of the websites are running on the WordPress, approximately 30 to 40%, 40% approx, because they are very responsive to mobile and very easy to understand for new one. First, we will explore this website, and during this period, I'm making the calculator series, and I will help you to how to make that kind of website. This is the total one website for multiple calculators. You can even make a single calculator website and rank on the Google, approved by the Google AdSense, start affiliate marketing. You can take the sponsorship and different methods how you can make money. I will also show you how much traffic this website and those keywords are getting, so that you can think about it. First, we will explore this website. This is your home page. There are 180 plus powerful calculators, and every month I introduce one new calculator, because I'm running multiple websites. So I've decided to every month I made a calculator and checked and then publish. Finance calculators, those are the EMI, SIP, and those are the very responsive website. Also mobile friendly, mobile responsive. You will get the header in mobile. The Calculators.one. You can search and check this website. Unit conversions, like age calculator, working age calculators, health and fitness calculators, semiconductor, if you are from the semiconductor chip designing, business purposes, AI related calculators, math calculators, business calculators, business, and the construction calculators, travel calculators, so that you can calculate education calculators. And here you will check the all calculators. This is the footer. This is the calculator. There 50 into 10. It's 500. Okay, all calculators are working. This is a master calculator. Here you can check 80 into 10, 800. So everything is working. So footer is fantastic and looking great. Very attractive, very fast website, no slow. But compared to HTML websites, little bit slow, because HTML website take very less space in the compared to WordPress. But WordPress website, using the WordPress website is very easy. If you don't know coding or something, the WordPress websites are for you. Most of people are using WordPress. Okay, but I have learned HTML, CSS, Java, and WordPress. I have learned from the WordPress. Then I learned the HTML, CSS, Java, and learning also. Still learning. Always try to learn. Okay, first we will explore the in finance category, because in the single video it is difficult to explain all those calculators. Go to finance calculator categories. First we will take EMI calculator. You can convert in the US dollar, the loan amount. Randomly I am tapping. Oh sorry, this is 9%. The tenure is 14, so that you will get the result. This is a fantastic output. Okay, this is very fast, and this is a fantastic output. The loan summary is this, total interest is this, total payment is this, and this is showing in this pattern. So the very attractive, very responsive. If you change the interest rate, calculate very fast. Time period you can change 20 years, very fast, and all those things. If you convert in rupees, you can convert in dollar. So I have given option on the rupees and dollar, so it is very easy. Let's explore how much traffic this calculator's name is getting throughout the world, because the Calculators.one calculator, or you can use the Google keyword planner. It is free. This is the traffic volume. My God, it is a huge and huge and huge. can't imagine. This is a Calculators and my website name is Calculators.one. Guys, if you can make a domain or website on this name, you can get even a 1 lakh. It's a, how much is this? It is, I can't even calculate. This is too much traffic. If you get even a 10,000 per month, it is enough for you. But they check the calculator, it's a mortgage calculator, Carland calculator. If you can get the domain, because the getting the domain of the calculators.com.in is very difficult. If you go domain to your own country related, because .com or other popular domains are already has been sold throughout the world. I will show you in the finance calculators. These are the calculators. Check the volume, the huge volume. Age calculator, if you have age calculator related domain, it's a fantastic and huge. You can generate the money from the different variations like Google AdSense, sponsorships, your own affiliate product, your own product, also your digital assets, also your physical assets. Once your website is getting traffic, that means you have generated a airport. Now different kind of flights can land or take off. Your important thing is generating the calculator websites, that you must make a website very fast, very unique, and give the different kind of content just like this. Go to SIP calculator, calculator USD, monthly investment. Randomly I am tapping. The expectation return is 15%. Time period is 25 years because long-term investment. This is a fantastic material. Now you can change this 15 years. Quick and fast and very attractive color, because the website must be attractive to use for the users. It must be user friendly. And once you are able to create this kind of website, it's a fantastic and incredible. Or it's not a one time, it's evergreen business. A lot of words and a lot of people in the world are using the calculators website, because on the physical calculator we cannot do all those things. And this website is free through the globe. We are not charging. Okay, this is the power of this keywords. If you got any keywords and drop me a message that you want a calculator, if you want a different calculator website, just drop me a message, sir, I want that calculator website, I have this domain, I will generate a calculator for you and host your website. There are few charges, I will make the website for you. If you want that kind of same WordPress template of this website, this is also possible. I will give you the template access in the description link so that you can purchase the template from there and make your own website. You just need to change the content, because you cannot use the same content which I have generated, because otherwise Google will think you are duplicating my website. So just change the content or tell us that you have purchased the domain. Before that you need to purchase the hosting. Hostinger is the best service providing in the world. You will also get the free domain for 1 year. Let's check the plan of Hostinger, because I am using the Hostinger. I have used the different hosting, but I love the Hostinger. Very fast, very responsive, and very affordable. These are the plans. If you select 48 month, go to 24 month, it is less. Select maximum period in your country, 48 months, 72 month, anywhere that is more and more. You can use the, once you use my link, which I have given in the description, you will get maximum discount. It's 83% of total amount. That means you are paying only 17%. Here you will get 50 website. If you want more and more and fast website, you can choose this, because you will get a one-time discount, 77%. Next year you need to renew. If your website is getting popular, if you generate revenue, there is no problem. You can generate here 100 website. Either you can choose this is the most popular. Here the 50 websites. For 1 year free domain you will get, or SSL certificate, everything. WordPress itself, they are supporting the WordPress. Hosting services, admin panel, everything, email services, everything they are giving, and they are giving fantastic security, everything. Once you are hosting, You don't need to think anything. You just think to your work and planning. Do your work, run your website, make your website, edit content, make content. Don't think about the security, anything. Because once you start using Hostinger, they are providing the best service. Now you need to purchase the template. Either you can make a single calculator. Just you have option, you can purchase if a mortgage calculator.in.com, .uk, .ai, .us, anything if available. Then tell me and drop me a message. Send me an email here. Go to contact section. Send me email to us directly on the Calculators.one, care@the or the on the LinkedIn, YouTube also. You can drop a comment that I have purchased, I am purchasing, I am planning, whatever you are thinking. I will help you that how to make that kind of website, a single calculator or a multiple website. Single calculator means if you have sipcalculator.com or .uk, .us, anything. So then SIP calculator, who those are searching SIP calculator, then your website will rank. But if you can make multiple calculator in the single website, it has maximum possibility that your website will start ranking in few months or few days, because you have not chosen a one keyword. You have chosen a 180 plus keywords. 181 plus keywords or different calculators are also your own calculator keyword that you are checking here. It's the huge searching. The calculator website, if you can make this evergreen business, it will run till this world end. Now we will check here the EMI calculator in the finance, because these are the keywords also. These are the calculators and keywords. Check the volume. This is 2,74 like. SIP calculators. Check the volume. Loan calculators. Because if you run only one calculator, loan calculator, that means those who are searching the loan calculator, they will come to your website. But if you are able to make that kind of multiple calculator websites, then there is no competition, because loan calculators already the big companies are running, big people are running. Those are running their websites in 20 years, 30 years, and 10 years, 5 years. Google start ranking those people. Once you enter a new person, you need to make a different website. You can rank, but you have to face the major competitions. But if you made multiple calculator websites, just like a 180 plus calculator websites, or even in the few upcoming month, you will see here the 190, then you see a 200, because every month I generate 2 or 3 or 1 calculators as per my time availability, and this website start ranking. Also, you can search here EMI. This is the another calculator. You can search it. This is the totally you can search here SIP calculator. SIP calculator. You will find the same directly. You can purchase the same template. I will give link in the description. Before you need to purchase the hosting and drop me a message that sir, I have purchased the hosting, purchase your template. If you don't know WordPress, I will help you. If you know WordPress, use by own, but change the content. It takes only 5 to 6 days because the website is very big. But once you start this business, it's a fantastic evergreen. You just need to do weekly or monthly work on this website. This website will give you the revenue. You don't need to think anything. You need to do other work. Once you start getting the revenue, you need to generate a new website. This is the step-by-step process. Okay. So these the keywords and see the traffic. Okay. Thank you so much for watching my video, and good luck if you are trying to make the website to run your businesses. Bye bye.